episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be talking about the Noise Aqua colorway on the Air Max 1s, and this is a collab done with Patta and Nike. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out. It is our 25 days of Christmas countdown, so be sure to hit that notification bell when you get a chance. Also check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks as well as an amazing merch store. So for those of you who are not counting, don't worry, I'm keeping tabs for you. We are on day 14. My goodness. Just cruising by. Ooh, I'm getting worse and worse opening this calendar. Merry Force be with you. That's our day 14. And if you have missed out on any of the 13 videos I've posted these past 13 days, be sure to go back, check it out. If you're wondering what shoes I already did unboxings for, I'm going to go through it right now for you. Here goes nothing. Wish me luck, everybody. 14 shoe countdown. Air Max, Nike, Pattas, Goldenrod, Dunks, Adidas, Terex, Free Hiker, Cool Gray, 11, Sacai, Nike, Waffles, Sakai, Blazers, Carpet Company, SBs, New Balance, Leahy, Bembreeze, Faded, Ozer, Yeezys, New Balance 9935, Leon Dor, Mama Airwinds, Off-White Air Max 90, Sacai Blazers, and a pair of Off-White Prestos. Woo! Almost lost at the end there. All right, so again, we are going to be talking today about the Noise Aqua colorway. I have had these for a month. I know I've been so backed up, but here we are doing it. You guys already know I've done the Monarch, so we're going to go through and compare the two colorways. Let me know in the comments down below which color you prefer out of these two, or did you like the other two that were released later on more than these? So we're going to start off with the overview of this sneaker, then we're going to talk about size and fit, followed by how I styled this. This was a nice clean color, I feel like, for a nice simple palette, so had fun styling these, and then we're going to talk about how these are doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into this overview. I really love the blue hues that are going on throughout the shoe. This toe box actually has almost a metallic-y kind of silver effect to it, but you can see as it hits the light, it does have a lot of blue in there. We do have that Noise Aqua colorway in the front of the toe box. This is a really smooth nubuck going on the front here. The embroidered Nike on the side here, again in that metallic-y blue shade. The laces are also a hint of baby blue as well. We do have this aged effect on the tongue, and it's a nice leather material. We have the Patta Air Max logo in white and that Noise Aqua color scheme, which I think it really pops off and gives it this vintage look, since they did use an off-white color for the tongue. If you're not feeling these laces, they do give you an off-white colorway option that you can swap in. And also, just like the Monarchs, as you saw, there is a little cute bag that comes in it, and that is a bracelet, or you could also, I feel like, wear this as a anklet depending on your size. But I love that they gave you this little detailed jewelry to accent the shoe. All right, let's take a look at those details and then we'll move on to the side panels. side panels, we again have underlays of that metallic-y blue and overlays of this baby blue with the Noise Aqua color scheme for the swoosh mark. Working our way to the back, we have the embroidered Nike Air and that nice metallic-y, shiny aqua color scheme. It really pops off the baby blue. And then we've got the same underlays and overlays on the other side of the shoe. The Patta is in a nice big logo on the insole in blue, and then the finishing touch is just a nice off-white color scheme for the insole. The midsole is a nice aged effect. I do love that it is this off-white color scheme. It makes me feel like this is just more of a vintage color scheme that they've brought to the table, and the outsole is finished off with a trio of colors. So we've got a brown, a blue, and almost a taupe color scheme. So love how these colors all just really blend together, and I think that this is just a really fun shoe to wear all season round. So let's take a look at those last and final details. All right, so before we move on to size and fit, we do have the Monarchs, and I did want to bring them up close so that you can kind of see the two together. I do love these colors separately for different reasons. I think out of the two, the Monarchs is probably just a little bit higher in favor of which color scheme I like to rock so far, just because I feel like this is great for the winter and fall time. Though I do feel like this could be a year-round color scheme as well, but this is just kind of more down my alley of colors that I'm really feeling this season. Again, the boxes are the same, and this is a really cool box. I mean, we've got a lot going on there with the Patta logo, and it's nice and vibrant and colorful. But that is the two shoes that I have. I haven't done unboxings on the next two Patta, so stay tuned. May have those up and posted to the channel as well. But let's talk about size and fit on these. So as far as it goes, I am a size 7.5 in Air Max 1s. I would say stick true to size on this one. I do have high arch narrow feet, so depending on your shape and foot size, this could differentiate a size that works best for you, but I would say stick true to size if you have a similar foot shape to mine. All right, now let's talk about styling. So for the first look, I wanted to wear these Lululemon leggings just because they have this really cool ombre effect to them, and it's got a nice dark to light finish, and at the bottom is this really cool kind of aqua blue color scheme that I feel like matched this to a T. I then paired that with a simple, just a waffle patterned shirt, and I layered that with a button down jacket in a cream colorway just because I think it really fit the vibe of this off-white color scheme that I saw on the shoe. For the second look, I switched it up a bit and I wanted to go all blue. So I wore some blue sweats with a matching blue puffer jacket. I think that blues and gray hues just really, really work so nicely with this for that nice simplistic monochromatic look. For the last and final look, I wore some Nike Cargo ACG cargo pants in this just nice tan colorway. I think that just tans go quite nicely with this blue as well. It's just a nice kind of blue that's it's not too bright and it's not too dull. So it's like that intermittent or intermediate kind of blue color scheme. So I think it goes quite nicely with a tan color palette. And for the top, I decided to pair that with a denim vested hoodie. So we've got some nice blue denim going on with the grays. I think grays and blues also are a perfect fit and match for the color scheme of this shoe. So you let me know down below, was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these? Now let's conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $160, and currently these are going for a pretty hefty price online. They're going between $200 to $320 depending on what shoe size you are currently. So definitely a nice colorway. I think one of the top colorways out of the four that they have released so far, but definitely have to give it to the Monarchs as my number one. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you're new here today, thanks for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also check out that join button for our membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.
And put those presents beneath the tree, 'cause baby, it's that time of